Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn on message reminder notifications on Instagram web using your PC. If you've been missing messages or just want to stay more updated, this new setting makes it much easier. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once you're logged into your account, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will pop up. From there, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can customize different features. Now, inside Settings, look for the Notifications section and click on it. This is where Instagram lets you control what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Once you're in Notifications, find and click on Push Notifications. This section is important because it controls real-time alerts sent to your device. Scroll down until you see Message Reminders. This is the feature that helps notify you about messages you might not have responded to yet. Under this option, select from everyone. This ensures you'll receive reminders for all messages, not just from people you follow.